Hello everyone. Today, I'll guide you through the process of merging different calendars using Reclaim AI. Let's get started. Firstly, sign up for Reclaim using the link provided in the description. It's a quick and straightforward process, and you can get started for free. If you already have an account, simply log in to proceed. Once you're logged in, the next step is to connect your calendars. Start by connecting your primary work calendar. If you have additional calendars, you can connect them as well. Navigate to the Sync Calendar tab and click on Start Syncing. Now choose both your primary and secondary calendars. After that, customize the settings based on your preferences. Reclaim AI allows you to block events from one calendar to another with varying levels of privacy. You can choose to show everything from just busy status to the full details of the event. Additionally, you have the flexibility to expose as much or as little of your calendars to others as you'd like. A useful feature is the ability to change the color for calendar events, making it easy to distinguish between them. And that's it. Your calendars are now successfully merged and synced with each other. It's a convenient way to manage multiple calendars seamlessly. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials. Thank you for watching and happy calendar syncing.